jẹ́ tún ẹ Ọlọ́run ò gbowó o. Ẹni tó ní ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì ló ní property o. Àwọn bíṣọ̀bù ló ń lọ́wọ́ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì. Àwọn jíò ló lówó ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì o. Kò sí Easter nínú Bíbélì. Kò sí Christmas nínú Bíbélì o. Ọlọ́run ò dá ọdún o. Má tan rẹ. Ọlọ́run kò dá ọdún o. Family meeting is better than church and mosque. Tí o bá fẹ́ ṣe eré láyé padà sílẹ̀ bí ibẹ̀ ní sùn rẹ àti ìtàkùn rẹ wà. Àwọn òyìnbó wọ́n ní charity begins at home. It's not to be going to the church and saying we are praying. No. The book of Isaiah 58, he said these are the kind of prayer that God wants. To give your food to the needy, to clothe the naked, and also those who are under bondage, let them smile. That is what God needed from you. Not to be fasting and be looking for your enemy to die. It doesn't concern God. God is love. He has no religion. He has no festival. God is in everywhere. Don't be deceived. There's nothing you can do. Nobody can worship God. It is God that can worship you, care for you in everything. Jesus did not collect tithe. God did not collect offering. The help you do to someone around you is the tithe, is the offering. When you make someone to be happy, God is happy. When you make someone to be crying, God, devil is what? Devil will be happy. That means we are for devil, we are not for God. God is love, is in everywhere. God bless you. Go back to your family house. Go and care for your elders. Thank you very much. Matthew 15, verse 4. He said, Jesus Christ said, whoever that speak evil to his father and his mother is what to put to death. Ẹnikẹ́ni, Matthew 15 verse 4, ó ní ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ àbùkù sí ìyá àti bàbá rẹ̀ ó yẹ fún ikú. So ìwọ tó kọ ilé àti bàbá rẹ̀ sílẹ̀ tó sá lọ sí ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì ó yẹ fún ikú. Lórí kíni ó ti kẹ̀yìn sí àwọn ẹlẹ́dàá rẹ̀. Bàbá àti ìyá rẹ̀ ní àpótí ẹ̀rí. Àwọn ní ìsun àti ibi ìkọ̀kọ̀ rẹ̀. Ẹ lọ ní àánú. Èpè tí ìyàwó bá ń ṣẹ́ fún ọkọ, ara ọmọ tó bá fẹ́ràn jù ló ti ń yọ o. Ìyàwó ilé má ṣe pè fọ́kọ. Ẹ kúnlẹ̀ fún pásítọ̀, ẹ kúnlẹ̀ fún àfáà, àmọ́ ọkọ ilé ẹ ní wojú ẹ̀. Èèwọ̀ ńlá ni o. Èpè tí ìyàwó bá ń ṣẹ́ fún ọkọ, ara ọmọ tí ìyàwó bá fẹ́ràn jù ló ti ń yọ o. Bójú ìwọ ni ìyá rẹ fẹ́ràn jù, gbogbo àṣìṣe ìyá rẹ orí rẹ ló ń bọ̀. O ti dáràn o. Kó padà lọ sí ilé kó lọ ṣàtúnṣe. Àdúrà òrègùn ìdílé o. Má tan rẹ. Padà lọ sílé bí kó lọ ṣàtúnṣe. Àwa ló ń pè ní Ọlọ́run kò gbowó gospel ministry. School of family correction. Àwa ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. À ń gbowó, no offering, no tithe. God bless you. For Nigeria to develop, we should go back to family. We should start the way they started in the 80s and 90s. So that Nigeria can be in unity. China, òrìṣà ni wọ́n bọ. Àmọ́ torí pé wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ ìlú wọn ń tẹ̀síwájú. Nàìjíríà ló ní ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì tó pọ̀ jùlọ gbogbo àgbáyé. Nàìjíríà ló ní mọ́ṣáláṣí tó pọ̀ jùlọ gbogbo àgbáyé. Ẹ wo Nàìjíríà lónìí. Ìtànjẹ ní ẹ̀sìn, ìfẹ́ ni Ọlọ́run, Ọlọ́run ò gbowó. God bless you. Go back to your family house and care for them. Thank you.